how to create a new folder in Microsoft Outlook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to make your mails organized by creating specific folders? Then you're in the right place. I'll show you how to do it. Let's get started. Open up your Microsoft Outlook. On the left hand side, you can see your mail. Tap on it and tap on the three dots and then tap on create new folder. Now name your folder and then save it. Now go to the folder. Now you can add your important mails to this folder so that it will be organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.